Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fajar. I'm a student of BS Chemistry. My ID is 11, and this is the certificate of the course Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. Now I will start the presentation. First of all, we'll discuss Chapter 1, Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. Matplotlib is the most popular Python plotting library. It is a low-level library with a MATLAB-like interface that offers lots of freedom at the cost of having to write more code. To install Matplotlib, pip and conda can be used. Matplotlib is specifically suitable for creating basic graphs like line charts, bar charts, histograms, etc. It can be improved by typing. Now we will discuss scatter plot. To create a scatter plot in Matplotlib, we can use the scatter method. We will also create a figure and an axis using plt.subplots to give our plot a title and labels. We can give the graph more meaning by coloring each data point by its class. This can be done by creating a dictionary that maps from class to color and then scattering each point on its own using using a for loop and passing the respective color. Now we'll discuss chapter 2, plotting time series data. Time series lends itself naturally to visualization. Line plots of observations over time are popular, but there's a suite of other plots that you can use to learn more about your problem. The more you learn about your data, the more likely you are to develop a better forecasting model. Visualization plays an important role in time series analysis and forecasting. Plots of the raw sample data can provide valuable diagnostics to identify temporal structures like trends, cycles, and seasonality that can influence the choice of model. A problem is that many novices in the field of time series forecasting stop with line plots. Take a look at 6 different types of visualizations that you can use on your own time series data. They are line plots, histograms and density plots, box and whisker plots, heat maps, lag plots or scatter plots, and the last is autocorrelation plots. The focus is on univariate time series, but the techniques are just as applicable to multivariate time series when you have more than one observation at each time step. Now we will discuss chapter 3, which is quantitative comparisons, bar charts. A Python bar chart, a plot or graph in the Matplotlib library is a chart that represents the categorical data in a rectangular format. By seeing those bars, one can understand which product is performing good or bad. It means the longer the bar, the better the product is performing. In Python, you can create both horizontal and vertical bar charts using the Matplotlib library and PyPlot. The Python Matplotlib PyPlot has a bar function which helps us to create this chart or plot from the given x values, height and width. Now we'll discuss Matplotlib bar chart names. The Matplotlib bar plot has x label, y label, and title functions which are used to provide names to x-axis, y-axis, and chart name. X label assign your own name to x-axis. This function accepts a string which assigned to the x-axis name. Y label uses function to assign a name to y-axis. Title: please specify the chart name. Now we'll discuss the last chapter of this course, preparing your figures to share with others. These are the guidelines for choosing plotting style. Dark backgrounds are usually less visible. If color is important, consider choosing colorblind friendly options, which are Seaborn and colorblind or Tableau colorblind 10. If you think that someone will want to print your figure, use less ink. If it will be printed in black and white, use the grayscale style. Now we'll discuss the last topic, which is automating figures from data. Why automate? It is easy and speedy, flexible, robustness, and reproducibility. Thank you. This was all from my side.